That's Mr. Gadkari, and to be direct, Gadkari is believed to be one of the people who's egging on Advani, and there is a general view that Mr. Advani is also pitching for him because neither of them are particularly fond of Narendra Modi, and Advani till a few hours back was pitching for him to head a second committee which would take care of the state assembly elections. However, Advani has pushed himself or painted himself right into a corner today. The VHP has come out very strongly against Mr. Advani. He seems to be losing ground. He seems to be losing support. Take a look at this comment, just come in from the VHP's Ashok Singhal.
पुराना नेतृत्व कब तक चलेगा? 33 वर्ष तक उन्होंने चलाया है. समाज चाहता है, जनता चाहती है, नौजवान चाहता है. 65% देश में नौजवान है. और किसी नौजवान से पूछिए, वो चाहता है हमें नौजवान नेतृत्व चाहिए, हमें बुरा नेतृत्व नहीं चाहिए. इस बात को भी उन्हें समझना चाहिए. और जो उन्होंने आरोप लगाया है वो आरोप सही नहीं है. वास्तव में सही बात यह है कि नौजवान जो हमारे देश का आज है वो नौजवान नेतृत्व चाहता है, आज बुरा नेतृत्व नहीं चाहता है. सही बात यह है, सही बात को उनको समझना चाहिए और अनुभव करके उनको मार्गदर्शक का अभी भी मेरा ऐसा मानना है.
What is the RSS's role, Rakesh Sinha? Who will the RSS back? Is Advani directly challenging the RSS?
No, here there is no question of challenging RSS. RSS is nowhere in the picture.
Of course it is.
They are the old Sensevaks.
Of course it is. No, please don't give me the standard line.
They will resolve the crisis. What I am... No, I am not giving a standard line.
In fact, many people believe the whole problem is because the RSS is trying to minutely remote control it from Nagpur. Already we have a couple of smiles on the panel. So please, let's be very direct. Yes, Mr. Sinha.
Rather, I will say that RSS is not controlling. That's why there is a problem.
Oh, there you are. Now you are changing your own line.
I think Jansangh to BJP. I am just saying that RSS does not do micromanaging of any party. RSS has a moral authority on the BJP, and the old Sensevaks are resolving the crisis.
The RSS was backing Gadkari. Gadkari is backing Advani. The RSS is not backing Advani. Was backing Advani earlier. Yesterday backed Modi. The story is out. Mr. Rakesh Sinha, the BJP is in a right royal mess.
Advani ji has addressed certain issues.
What issues?
Advani ji has addressed certain issues. They are very important issues, the erosion of the values in the party. But this entire political system is the victim of the erosion of the values. And party will relook the issues he has raised. And their party cannot be remade in one day. It will take a long time. That's why I am telling you
10 months
that
to the general elections.
RSS has just a moral influence of the party, and no, it is a general election, and I am just reminding the party in the swift happening, it has to rediscover what it is and what it should be. I think 2014 election is very important for the party, and party should give a
that's the point.
United fight.
No, that's the point. You know, the feeling is Rajiv Gowda. Till yesterday, let's come to that. The real question on the news art this evening is, will this irretrievably hit the BJP in the run-up to 2014? You know, Mr. Gowda, that the BJP till yesterday went to a great length to say Modi's elevation and Advani's blessings. Was that just a charade? Now it's clear it was a charade. In your view, what impact will it have on the BJP in the run-up? Have they lost the edge to you?
See, Rajiv Shukla was on air yesterday, and he pointed out that Modi is very good at lies, blatant lies on a regular basis. Anyway, the point is that looks like even that tweet about Advani's blessing was one more in that long list. Anyway, leave that aside. Let's talk about 2014. See, you know, the BJP has already peaked in many states.
Coming to you, Mr. Kohli. Coming to you after Mr. Gowda. Yeah.
And right here in Karnataka, they're going to lose that many seats. And so, net, Mr. Modi is not going to deliver the country to them. It's not at all a situation, you know, they're putting all their eggs in one basket of Mr. Modi, and then they're counting chickens before those eggs hatch. It's just a very, very amusing story for the rest of us. It's just been hyped up so much as a coronation, and now the ugly truth is coming out, and really, I'm also concerned, you know, the RSS...
No, but the flip side could be, the flip side could be, Mr. Gowda. No, Mr. Gowda, the flip side could be that Modi comes out stronger. The flip side could be that Modi's greatest rival within, Vinod Mehta, that Modi's greatest rival within is
May I just
handled.
come in, Mr. Goswami?
Yes, Mr. Kohli.
Absolutely.
Yes, just a couple of things, because I've been hearing Mr. Gowda
If
earlier.
had any spunk,
You know,
they would tell Mr. Advani that you're 85 years old, you have served the party, but the time has come for a new generation to carry the baton. So we want you in, but if you insist on going, please go. Because I think that's the only solution that I can see. Any compromise
will that
with
end the
Mr.
problem?
Advani at this moment
Will
would undermine the position of Mr. Modi and the election prospects of 2014.
But
I say this with great regret. Mr. Advani is a spent force. Mr. Advani, for 85, he's 85, he's
There you-
done a yeoman service to the BJP.
No, but
at some
people
point
like
of time,
Devesh
we
Chandra
all have to,
Thakur.
retire.
No,
Even
people
I
like Devesh
retired
Chandra
now.
Thakur. People
So
like
we all
Devesh
have to
Chandra
retire.
Thakur
We
swear
just
by
can't
only
keep
Mr.
sitting on our
Advani.
jobs.
They have made
And
people like
Mr.
Devesh Chandra
the time
Thakur.
has come for the BJP to
No, but people like Devesh Chandra Thakur have made Advani the condition for a continuing relationship with the BJP. You heard Mr. Thakur, he's sitting right next to me smiling here today. He said he was the glue. He's
But
the cement.
now-
What was the phrase you used?
but
That he's the cement.
no, but somebody else can be found. Mr. Arun Jaitley is not a fascist, Mr. Arun. But I'm saying the BJP are in such a tight corner that if they give in to Mr. Advani at this point of time, they undermine
So
Mr. Modi.
what if they don't
and
give in to
their bet
Advani?
for 2014 is
What if they don't
if they
give in
don't
to...
give in to Advani and they go with Mr. If they don't go, because what is the BJP looking at? It's looking at the next general elections. And who's going to be the face in the general elections is Mr. Modi,
No,
not
what if
Mr.
they don't
Advani.
give in? No, what if they don't give in? What if 2 hours from now, just coming to you, Mr. Kohli, in just half a second, what if 2 hours from now the
Now,
breaking
what I'm
news
saying is,
or
Arnab,
1 hour
what is
from
the
now,
potential? What
1
is
hour
Mr.
from now the breaking news is...
What is Mr. Advani's potential for? What is the power of Mr. Advani to make mischief in the party? I don't think he has any great power.
No, what if 1 hour from now or half an hour or 2 hours from now, the breaking news on Times Now is that the BJP appeals to Mr. Advani to take back his resignation, but strongly and rejects all the allegations he makes against the BJP and strongly supports Mr. Advani and stands by the announcement. Then what will you do? No, what will you do then? Now, my question is to the JDU. I want to know what will the JDU then? Because you pushed the envelope today.
Yes,
You said the relationship with the
Yes,
BJP would be
I'll tell
affected.
you what we are going to do. We have already decided to call a party meeting with the senior leaders, and they'll decide, they'll deliberate
Decide on what?
all that has happened.
Decide on what? Decide
They'll
on the
decide on
relation-
whatever has been happening in this last 2-3
No,
days.
decide on the
And then
relationship-
take a
no,
decision.
decide on the relationship
On
with the
anything,
BJP.
on everything that has happened in the last few
Decide
days
on the
that is
relationship.
happening, and then decide.
Decide on the relationship
Anything.
with the BJP.
That is to be decided within the meeting.
No, decide on the relationship
those,
with the BJP.
Those are the deliberations that will
You
be
know
done
you-
between the meeting,
but can you
and
leave
then
the-
a decision will be done.
So you're
That
trying...
will be the senior leaders over there. I can't tell you now.
But it's one of the issues you'll discuss, whether or not
Definitely,
you want to continue with
everything
it.
that has been
Definitely.
happening, definitely.
As
All
clear
that has
as
been
that.
happening in the last 3
As
days.
clear as that. Nalin Kohli, you heard that?
Well, we have a right to
If
discuss.
that's not putting a condition to your
No,
relationship...
this is not a condition.
It is a
sorry.
condition.
This is not a condition.
Well, you're being polite about it.
When we want to discuss all that is happening within the NDA or within... So, I think we have a right to do that.
No, isn't
And
it ironic?
Let's take a decision.
Isn't it ironic that you're willing to leave the NDA if a man you blame for the 2002 riots is elevated, and at the same time you're also willing to leave the NDA if a man who is being linked to the Babri Masjid demolition is out of the party?
Well, it is for the senior leaders to decide and deliberate.
If you want to leave the NDA alliance so badly, why don't you leave?
We'll take a decision at the right time.
No, why don't you leave?
No,
if you
we'll
want
take a
to leave?
decision at the right time. You are not going to suggest us when to leave.
No, you're avoiding my question.
No, we'll take a decision at the right time.
Well, I get Nalin Kohli's been waiting for his turn. Yes, Nalin.
I have a few things to say. First of all, I'll start with what Mr. Thakur was saying. I think as far as the alliance with the JDU is, it is continuing in Bihar. We have no other reason to believe that something has taken place to the contrary. And if the JDU is meeting and having internal discussions, that is their prerogative. That's the first part. Second is, I don't think Mr. Gowda should really take too many, fish in troubled water and be delighted about anything happening outside the Congress. They have enough worries of their own. And if they only analyze the recently held elections, that is the by-elections in Gujarat, Bihar and Bengal, accounting for 113 Lok Sabha seats, the Congress is nowhere to be seen. They have been losing deposits. They have enough problems. And when it comes to the Congress party commenting on Mr. Modi's designer kurtas, I think that is really below the belt. I think Mr. Gowda would do better to speak about issues, and I'll be happy to debate issue by issue.
Well, the only issue tonight is Modi versus Advani. Unfortunately, that is the issue tonight. What do you
starting internal security, external security, external prestige?
Well, right now, the only security is the internal security of the BJP leadership.
It will be a pleasure.
No,
but if he thinks that I'm going to stoop to his level, I'm just saying it clear.
Which
this
level?
is the last time I'll take it. Otherwise, I'm capable of making personal comments.
Rise to my level, Mr. Kohli. Rise.
Not personalities. And that's my only thing to Mr. Gowda.
No, one sec. Yes, Mr. Gowda?
Nothing. Basically, the whole party is turning to one man as their agenda. You know, forget a program, forget anything else. That man's command over the facts seems to be very, very loose. You could see that from his statements yesterday. Lots of statements which don't have any basis in fact. And he's talking about personalities. Please rise and, you know, get out of this kind of argument about by-election results. You know that by-election results often are in favor of the party that is that has won the last major election. That is the fact across the country. So don't read too much into those by-election results. That's not a mandate of any major sort.
113.
Please, just figure out your problems first. Figure out your problems.
And you're saying, right, I think you should be worried about it, you should be petrified, you should be also looking at how Mr. Gandhi has done, Mr. Rahul Gandhi, your coronated prince, has done in Bihar, in Uttar Pradesh. I mean, you won Karnataka, we conceded. We have had reasons to lose Karnataka, we'll go into it, but that doesn't mean you can wish or wipe away the BJP. The BJP is a force to reckon with, and you have enough problems, and the people of this country will make a decision at the appropriate time.
The BJP is a very limited force. I think you are all jumping the gun too much.
Gentlemen, those pictures which are coming in, Ajay Bose, before I come to you, let's play those pictures out. You've been wanting to come into this debate. For all our viewers joining us, these are the pictures from outside Rajnath Singh's residence where that crisis meeting is going on. It's not a meeting they would have wanted to have. Ajay Bose, what do you think is going to come out of this meeting? How long do you think this meeting will carry on for? Will it be a quick one or will it be a prolonged meeting?
You see, the problem is that they have to give a face saver to Mr. Advani so that Mr. Advani is mollified. But the only way to do that would be to somehow cut down Modi's stature. You know, so, and I think that is where the problem lies, that they have to dilute in some way Narendra Modi's total domination of the BJP after the way he was elevated yesterday. So I think that is where the whole dilemma lies, and all these things, as I keep on saying, should have been worked out before. But I must say that Rajnath Singh has failed also, because I think as president of the party, it was his duty to see that Modi's elevation was done in a much smoother manner. But unfortunately, this is completely, you know, the way it's panning out, the entire advantage of having Modi energize the BJP gets completely finished. Let us not minimize Arnab, Advani being humiliated, snubbed, marginalized in such a public manner. The BJP has been around for a long time. It is a party which has very strong old Hindu cultural sensibilities. It does not believe in humiliating its elders. Advani is a grand old patriarch, almost at the same level as Atal Bihari Vajpayee. You have to see that he retires gracefully. I concede Vinod's point, it is high time Advani went, but somebody had to convince him. And I think they failed to convince him, and
but
that
the question is, did he want to be convinced?
Current leadership.